What's up, ladies and gentlemen of Operation Titan? Thank you for watching this video. It's going to be a quick tutorial on how to download and install our mod pack for Operation Titan. This is for Arma 3, so you're going to first want to make sure your Arma 3 is installed and up to date. The next thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've downloaded A3MP, CBA A3, and Task Force Arrowhead Radio. You're going to follow the simple instructions on the Armaholic website that shows you how to install these mods. You're going to put them into your directory in your at folder or your main listing of directories where you have your at folders. We'll show you that in just a second. The next thing you're going to need to do is download Operation Titan 2, the Operation Titan 2 hotfix here, and the user config file if you do not already have this. Very important to note that if you already have it, you don't necessarily need to download it. If you would like to, that's perfectly fine as well. So once those are downloaded, you're going to locate them. Here's my Titan 2 hotfix. Here's my Operation Titan 2. And my user config folder is already inside of my directory, but I will show you that anyways. So once you have them here, as you can see from my screen, here's the user configs folder. We'll go ahead and put it to the desktop just so everybody can be on the same page. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up this Operation Titan 2. All right, you're going to want to take this folder, open it up, and you'll see the at Titan 2 folder there. What you want to do is you want to drag that into your main directory, just right alongside, and you'll see it will appear in here as Operation Titan 2. The next thing you're going to want to do is actually physically open this to where you're in this section, Operation Titan 2, inside the add-ons folder. Then you're going to open this Operation Titan 2 hotfix. Once you open this hotfix, you're going to click this, you're going to sort this by the type, and you're going to drag everything but this text document into this folder and hit copy and replace. You want to replace anything that's there that it asks you to, as well as make sure it copies all the files into the folder. To do this, you'll make sure you'll need to have a program such as WinRAR or RAR or 7-zip, something to open the RAR files and to pull them in there. Like I said, I use WinRAR. It's a free program that you can download off the internet. So once you have those files inside of this folder, it's time to close this up and head back to the Arma 3 directory. In this directory, you're going to want to take this user configs folder and drag it in here. If you already have a user configs folder, it will probably ask you to copy and replace. You can do that. Or if you're an advanced user, you can actually open up this user config folder and drag the user configs that you know you need. Some of them you do not need. If you do not use the third person mod that makes the camera smaller and more Ghost Recon-ish, then you won't need this. You won't need this artillery folder, so on and so forth. If you're not an advanced user, I suggest you just copy the entire folder and possibly just delete this third person mod because it won't go if you don't have it. It may give you an error on your launch. Other than that, everything else should be fine. And here's the user config folder here. After that, you're pretty much done. I would suggest using a program such as ArmaSync, and we'll go ahead and show you how it works. So basically, you're going to open ArmaSync. Once ArmaSync is open and loaded, you should see it pop up here. When it's here, you're going to check the mods that you want to be on when you're playing Operation Titan. Now, when you play in Titan, you need Operation Titan 2. You need the Task Force Arrowhead Radio. If you use LEA, I would leave that on as well. A sound mod if you require one. So just to catch up to this point, this one and this one are both optional. These are client-side mods, and you do not need them. You're going to need CBA A3 and A3MP. Once you have those checked, you can start the game. Your game should start without major error. There could be a loading error for a particular type of weaponry that requires a config file that we do not have, but it should be okay and your game should launch successfully. We'll go ahead and wait out the remainder of the loading period so you can see that my You can see that mine loads without problems. Okay, so here's my game. It has loaded. You probably won't be able to see it through the Camtasia recorder. If you can, awesome. If not, it is loaded and I'm about to be in the main menu. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this clears up any mod issues or mod problems that we are having. We'll see you guys on the battlefield.